Lesson 1-A Sounds of T and D. The shorthand symbols for T and D are upward slanting straight lines differentiated by length. T is represented in a short slanting straight line, while D is represented in a long slanting straight line. Okay, proceed tayo sa T-D words. The word day is represented by D and A, while date is D-A-T. Did is D-E-D. Then made is M-A-D. Aid, A-D. Aid is A-T. Tame is T-A-M, and meet or meet are represented by M-E-T. Okay, let's proceed to a T-D practice. Number 1, have a nice blank. Number 2, we ate lunch late. Then number 3, Kim is a nurse blank. Number 4, the tiger is blank. Then number 5, I will blank blank. Write your answer below in the comment section. Thank you and God bless.